Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 first, open close, exercise number FCE051. Let's start with number 1. We got to the shop as early as possible, but someone blank obviously arrived there before us. The last copy of the book was gone. The correct answer is had. Had arrived is the past perfect tense used to indicate an action that happened before another past action. For example, by the time I got there, he had left. Another example, they had already eaten when we arrived. Moving on to number 2. What a gorgeous apartment you live in, Kathy. You have very original taste, blank furniture. The correct answer is in. Taste in is used to describe someone's preference for something. For example, she has good taste in music. Another example, he has excellent taste in clothes. Next up, question 3. My husband and I just got back from a week in that mountain spa you recommended. It blank us the world of good. The correct answer is did. Did the world of good means to benefit someone greatly. For example, the vacation did her the world of good. Another example is, a good night's sleep did me the world of good. Here's question 4. The company is very profitable even though it was only set blank 3 years ago. The correct answer is up. Set up means to establish or start something. For example, she set up her own business last year. Another example, they want to set up a new charity. On to question 5. All passengers in a car blank to wear seatbelts in the UK. The correct answer is have. Have to indicates obligation. For example, you have to wear a helmet when riding a motorbike. Another example, we have to follow all the rules at school. Another possible answer for this question is need. Question 6. We don't know yet how successful the company will be this year. A lot depends blank how our sales go in Asia. The correct answer is on. Depends on means to be influenced by or rely on something. For example, success depends on hard work. Another example, the outcome depends on many factors. Question 7. If you see Mr. Gordon, can you tell blank we need to speak as soon as possible? The correct answer is him. Tell him is the correct pronoun to use here. For example, can you tell him to call me? Another example is, I need to tell him something very important. And now finally, the last one, question 8. It was an awful experience having to talk in front of the whole school, blank, such a long time. The correct answer is for. For is used to indicate the duration of time. For example, he spoke for an hour, or she waited for a long time. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.